Experiencing issues with contacts not syncing on your Samsung Galaxy phone? This video offers multiple solutions. Let's dive in. Firstly, confirm that you've enabled the Auto Sync feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Go to the Settings app, then navigate to Accounts and Backup, and tap on Manage Accounts. Ensure that Auto Sync data is toggled on. Next, select the account you wish to sync contacts with from the Manage Account section. Then proceed to Sync Account and turn on the toggle next to Contacts. After that, verify your device's date and time settings. Incorrect settings may hinder apps like Samsung Contacts from syncing data. Navigate to Settings, head to General Management, and tap on Date and Time. Now toggle on Automatic Date and Time and Automatic Time Zone. Lastly, clear the app cache to ensure smooth operation. Press and hold the Contacts app, tap the eye icon, navigate to Storage, and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom right corner. Hopefully, these solutions will resolve your contact syncing issues. For answers to all your tech queries, subscribe to Guiding Tech and delve into one of our hand-picked videos just for you.